Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers All-in-One Chat Widget to your WooCommerce website. Chat widgets can help you connect with visitors faster, improve customer support, and make it easier for users to reach out from anywhere on your site. So, let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WooCommerce website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for All-in-One Chat and open the widget. Once the widget opens, you'll see different app selection options. You can also update app details. Under the Content tab, you can customize things like the content, chat window, welcome message, and button label. In the Settings tab, you'll also find options to change the position, alignment, and turn the notification badge on or off. Lastly, under the Style tab, apply different styles and enable/disable animations. After you've finished customizing everything, click Publish Widget. Once it's published, copy the installation code and go to your WooCommerce site. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.